Meaning of gaucho.
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 Gaucho. The word gaucho refers to a cowboy or a skilled horseman from the South American pampas, which is a vast grassy plain. Gauchos typically wear traditional clothing such as berets, bombachas, baggy pants, and boots with spurs. They are known for their strong horsemanship skills and often work on estancias, which are large ranches that raise cattle and other livestock. In addition to their equestrian skills, gauchos are also known for their music, dance, and colorful cultural traditions. Overall, the gaucho is an important cultural symbol of the South American plains and a legendary icon of the cowboy way of life.